Hey guys, it is Andrea, and today I'm coming at you with the Hocus Pocus TN kit. So I'm really excited about this. This art is exclusive art, so you will not find it anywhere else. And we do have a kit in the shop as well as an October monthly kit available if you want the stickers that kind of like match this set here. And this is our Halloween TN, and I am so excited. Halloween TN kit, and super pumped about this. Been in the works for quite a while now, and I'm so pumped that everything's all together. So the first thing that you're gonna have is a paper pack. The vellums and acetates are inside of one cello, and then these are all together packaged inside of another cello. So they are all 8.5 by 11, and we'll go ahead and go through these. So we'll go through the papers first. So I wanted to keep some of them simple and some of them a little more patterny. So this is just a plain black glitter, which I feel like would look great with not only this tan setup, but also other ones. Then there is this purple, which is really pretty, with purple with the glitter. There is this really pretty green one, which is probably one of my favorite patterns in the set, with the really bright purple swatch. And then you have a bunch of stars, like solid and pattern stars. And like I said, you do get 2 of each paper. And then you have the like book leather, and then just these swatches that kind of look like candles to me. So I thought those were really cool. Then you also get some vellums and acetates. So the first vellum you get is this super cute cat. Love it, black cat. And you can cut this however you like. Then you have the book pattern, which is like see-through, which is really cool. Be really cool over like your front page with like daily written on it. I think that'd be really neat. And then there's also 2 acetates in silver. So this one says, "I put a spell on you," in silver foil. And then this one has just the silver stars. Again, I feel like you could use this one in other setups as well. So those are all of the papers that come in the set. We did switch back to a glossier paper, so I'm really excited about that because I feel like it shows the colors a little bit better. And I'm just super pumped to put this in my planner. Then inside of this organza bag, which is like a smoky white color, you have a bunch of other goodies in here. So you do have a pen. It's individually packaged, and it's an all black pen, which I thought would look really cool with this setup. Then there is a little charm, and it's a really cool spider charm in silver. Then there is a bow clip inside of a cello with a backing card. You can also use this in your setup and cut it up, but it is one of our velvet purple bows, which is like similar to the velvet in the last bow that we had, which was really pretty. It's one of my favorites. Then there is a sticky bow in this really pretty green color. And then there is the die cut pack, which is individually celloed with a backer card. So you do have the backer card there that you can also again use in your setup. And then there are a bunch of different die cuts here ranging in sizes. So let's go ahead and go through all of these. I love this book one. It's probably my favorite. So these are all of the die cuts. So you get a really nice variety there. And then we have this, oh no, let's go through the washi. So there is a washi. It isn't foiled. I was gonna foil it, but I didn't think that foil really did anything for it, so I left it unfoiled. So this is the pattern. So it just has the book in the background, like the book leather, and then a bunch of different elements from the kit. And I love this washi. I think it's so dang cute. I'm not like a huge fan of unfoiled washis, but this one's definitely my favorite unfoiled washi. It is perfection, so you will get a full roll of that washi. Then there is another cello bag in here. And inside of this cello, there is some sticky notes with the cat. Then you have your tab stickers. So these are cut around the words, and you have 2 sets. So you gotta change it up to a script font. And those are clear, and then you will have your tabs. So you have 2 of each of the double-sided patterns on the glossy. Super cute. So excited to do the setup. There is also a die cut bookmark with all of the different colors in the set, which I think this is so pretty. I have one of these right now that I had made in my rings, and I just punched holes in it and made a perfect bookmark. And then there are also the journaling cards. So you do get this month the double-sided ones, the bigger ones, the glossy ones. I like these a lot better. So this one says, I put a spell on you with a little cat in the corner. And then this is the little scene. So you get double-sided of that one. And then you have the hand with the nails. And then, oh, this one. The hand with the nails, and then this one says sisters with the Sanderson sisters on there. And then you also have the foiled one. So you have this one with the foiled bow with the leather pattern in the background, and then also the quote one with the foil. So these both have silver foil on them, and I'm so into these. They are so pretty. So that is everything in this TN kit, and I am so excited to do a setup. I'm probably going to be doing a setup in my personal wide rings, and I am so ready to set up this TN. I've been ready to set it up for a while now. We've been waiting just for a couple of things to arrive, and they finally have, so I'm super pumped. So this is everything. So you do get the 6 double-sided papers, 2 vellums, 2 acetates. You get the 4 non-foiled journaling cards. You get the 2 foiled journaling cards. You get the bookmark, the tab stickers, the sticky notes, the double-sided tabs, which I'm so excited for these. I'm like really pumped to set up this TN, probably the most pumped that I've ever been. You do also have the washi tape, which is super pretty. So excited about this one, so proud of it. You get all of the die cuts, the bow clip, the sticky bow, the pen, and then also the charm. So that is what you get in this TN kit. I'm so excited about it. I've been working on it for so long. This and the next 2 TNs I've been working on for so long. So this is everything that comes in the TN kit. It will be available on Sunday at noon Eastern. It will be a no coupon and single item order just for shipping purposes, but I hope you guys like this TN kit, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.